Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to run TikTok ads for your Shopify store. TikTok is a great platform for reaching younger audiences. So let's get started. First, install the TikTok app in your Shopify store. And to do so, just go to your web browser, then go to shopify.com, enter your account credential and log in. Once logged in and in dashboard, go to online store. Now in the online store, search for TikTok. You can search for it in the App Store. Here I have it already in the apps, in installed apps, in the apps and sales channels. You can view it also here. Just go to settings. It's right next to the gear icon in the bottom left and click on apps and sales channels and you'll find it normally here. But if you don't have it, look for it in the online store. As you can see, this message, this app isn't compatible with your store. It's a problem with the location. It's not compatible. It's not available in all the countries. But if it's available in your country, follow the next step, these steps in the TikTok app. Just go to your TikTok app in your phone or web browser. Go to create a campaign in the TikTok Ads Manager. Now choose a campaign objective like traffic or conversions. After that, select your budget and upload your video ad. Then preview how it will appear. Now the third step is to set your audience and launch. You have to define your target audience and adjust placements to fit your goal. After that, set your budget and schedule, then click Publish to launch your ad campaign. And that's it. You've now set up a TikTok ads for your Shopify store, ready to capture attention on a unique platform. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment under the video if you have further more questions. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.